Hey, I am Isaiah Cardona and I'm a multi-hyphen creative. I've chosen mixed media animation as my way to create magic. It's a fun way to express yourself and quickly catch your viewers' eyes. And in this class, you will be developing your own mixed media animation in Procreate Dreams, which you can share on social or include in your portfolio. And if you know me from my YouTube tutorials or my popular online classes, then you know I am passionate about making the world of animation accessible to non-animators. Which is why in this class, I have taken my animation process and broken it down into simple to learn fundamentals. I also have the class set up so you can follow along on several project examples, so you can see my full process for using the techniques and developing various animations, which will give you the knowledge and the confidence to apply these techniques into your class project. And I've designed this class to gradually walk you through different levels of animation, so whether you're a beginner or an intermediate level student, there is something to get out of this class. In this class, you will learn basics of using Procreate Dreams, helpful workflow tips and tricks, as well as some key animation techniques such as frame by frame animation, keyframing, easing, and straight ahead animation. And we won't stop there. You will also learn how to develop your mixed media style, how to plan out your animations, and so much more. By the end of this class, you will have a solid understanding of mixed media animation, as well as the tools to create your own expressive animations. So if you're ready to dive into the fun world of mixed media animations, then grab your iPad and Procreate Dreams and let's get started.